Okay, guys. My dog is really afraid of a vacuum cleaner. Gizmo, what's the matter? What's wrong? Huh? What's wrong? It's just the vacuum. I have never chased him before with the vacuum, and he's terrified of it. What's the matter? Angel. This is my mom's Maltipoo. Her name is Angel, and she's also scared of a vacuum. You jealous? Are you jealous? You are. It's okay, buddy. It's okay, Gizzy. It's all right, buddy. Guys, let me know in the comments below if it's just my dog that's afraid of vacuums, or are all dogs afraid of vacuums? Hey. Or this could be the problem. Karissa, what are you doing? Are you chasing the dogs? Maybe this is why they're scared of Karissa. Are you the reason why the dogs are scared of the vacuum? I know. Gotta love her. I was just seeing what you were doing. So, are you scaring the dogs? What are you trying to do? Please don't do that. Now look at your arm. Really? Do not do that. Guys, I'm telling you, she's fearless. Karissa, stop! What was you doing to your chin? Oh my goodness, why are you doing that? Does that not hurt? Let me see your chin. Oh my goodness, do not do that again. Let me see your arm. Stop. Stop.